Is island living in a resort your dream? Make W Residence your home. W Residence is nestled at this world-famous Sentosa Cove, idyllic island in Singapore. Breezy, warm. My name is Tina from Urban Agents, and let me bring you to the beautiful home in W Residence. As you walk in to this house from your private lift, look at this spacious living area. Fits a 7-seater easily. Looking at your pool outside and the marina, and very spacious to have an 8-seater. And look at the kitchen. It seamlessly blends with this living area, making it wide and spacious. Let's have a look at the rest of the kitchen. Take a look at this gourmet kitchen. Nice countertops, Miele appliances, wine chiller, washer, refrigerators, cookers and oven, and lots of ample space for your storage. Next, let's take a look at the backyard. This is the bomb shelter. It has been converted into a wine appreciation cellar. This room can also be for your helper or storage. Are you ready? Let's go take a look at the rest of the bedrooms. This is a 2067 square feet unit with 4 bedrooms. As we walk through this lounge area, let me bring you to the first bedroom. This bedroom fits a queen-size bed and it comes with a wardrobe. And also this room is adjoined to the next junior master by a balcony. Let's take a look. As you walk into the balcony, take a breather, enjoy the view outside and the fresh air. This Master Junior has been fitted with a single bed and vanity, but could easily fit a queen size. Also comes with a wardrobe ensuite. And before we head into the master bedroom, let's take a look at the 4th bedroom. This 4th bedroom has been converted into a home office. It has a very good view of the pool and the marina. And this is the master bedroom. The first thing that catches your eye will be this humongous walk-in wardrobe for all your clothes and accessories. And also this has an attached bath, nice bathtub for you to soak all your eggs away, and a shower area. And look at this luxurious, awesome, huge area where you can put in your Californian king-size bed. Ample space for you to walk around. And the best of all, let's have a look at your balcony, the $1 million view. Isn't it great to have such a huge balcony with an amazing view? W Residence is just 10 minutes away to CBD, and it's just beside Quayside Isle, where the basic necessities are dining, groceries, laundries. It is a perfect place to make your home. If you want to view this unit, please call me. My name is Tina from Urban Agents. If you like such videos, please do subscribe to our channel, and we will see you next in our luxury listings.